Harbor Freight just announced they're going to be doing a 10 days of deals. So it's going to be a daily deal with different deals each day. So the first deal that they alluded to is the 30% off of all Predator power washers and outdoor power equipment. I'm going to go over some of the options they have for the power washers and power equipment, cover the 30% off, so give you some ideas of what would be covered. All right, the first items I'm going to cover is going to be on the 6.5 horsepower 212cc chipper shredder. It's able to accommodate up to 3-inch diameter branches in the front chute here and the smaller debris in the back. It is normally priced at $600, so you'd be able to save 30% on that. And then next up is a 43cc two-stroke gas-powered cultivator. It does have 7-inch durable wheels, and it's 4 to 9-inch tilling width and a 6-inch max tilling depth and lightweight design to it. And there's what the tiller looks like. So this retails at $250, so save 30% on that. Another item that's going to be included is going to be on the 2 horsepower Predator Earth Auger 52cc gas powered engine. It does offer 45 pounds of torque and 320 RPM. It does include a 6-inch auger bit, which you could outfit it with larger augers depending on what you're digging. I did have this one in previous years. It did work for one season. I wasn't able to get it started the second season, so might have been my user error. But this does retail normally at $230, so you can save 30% on that. So to give you ideas on the different auger bits that they actually offer in the store, is a 8-inch diameter auger bit, and that retails for $95. And they do have a 6-inch diameter one, which is what the auger does come with, so you wouldn't necessarily need to get another one of those. But they also even have a 2-inch one that retails for $70, and they even have a 21-inch auger extension shaft, so if you need to dig really deep holes, you can just add that extension to it and then put the bit on top of that, and that retails for $40. And I'll cover some of the gas powered power washers that they do have. So to start off here is the 2650 psi 2.4 gallon per minute power washer. It does have an onboard soap tank that you use to dispense through the power washer itself. It does come with a 25-foot hose length and 12-inch wheels. This normally retails at $349. And the next up is the 3200 psi 2.8 gallon power washer with a 6.8 horsepower gas powered engine. It also has the onboard soap dispenser to it. It also has the onboard 12-inch wheels, so that'll make going around different terrains nice and easy. And this does normally retail at $400, so save 30% on that. And if you're looking for the most powerful power washer they offer, it's going to be on this 4400 psi 4.2 gallon per minute power washer. It is commercial duty, gas powered, with a 420cc gas engine. So this would be able to handle most cleaning tasks around the house or even commercial properties. And even if you're looking to start maybe like a side gig of power washing, this would be the unit to go for. This would be the minimum I would recommend if you're going to start any kind of a power washing business, having the basically a minimum of 4,000 psi and a 4 gallon per minute. So this definitely exceeds that. And this would be a great one to start with. This does normally retail at $900, so it'd be a great opportunity to save the 30% on that. It does include a 50-foot heavy duty steel reinforced high pressure hose, as well as the different nozzles of the different cleaning degrees with onboard storage there. So as they mentioned on the box, it's good for industrial cleaning, graffiti removal, degreasing, and paint stripping. And here's the nozzles that it does include: the 0, 15, 25, 40, and a soap nozzle. So with the soap nozzle, what it does is you have what's called a downstream injector, which is that little clear hose that you put that in a bucket of soap solution or even chlorine bleach like pool shock. You can downstream inject through there and then apply it to a house for a house wash. If you look up videos on YouTube on how to properly do a house wash, you don't want to use high pressure, especially on vinyl, and you can downstream inject the concentrated pool shock, which is basically chlorine, sodium hypochlorite, and you can kill off algae and other organic formed molds and algae. And that's the proper way to do a house wash, just so you're aware. And basically doing it that way would last up to a year to prevent mold and algae from growing on a vinyl siding or other siding. Now, another detail we don't know yet about the 10 days of sales, if it's going to be limited to only in-stock, in-store items, or if you're going to be able to order stuff online or not. So other examples that Predator offers as far as outdoor equipment goes is log splitters. So it would be a good time to pick up something like that because they're really expensive and to save the 30% on them. But we'll have to see if it's just limited to in-stock or in-store items only. And if you enjoy content like this, I would appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more videos like this. It does help the channel and also help me get to the goal of the 50,000 subscriber mark, as I do have that goal to get to 50K. And as soon as I do, I will be giving away 5 of the Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. So be sure to subscribe, help the channel out, and I can do that giveaway. And again, thank you so much for that support. All right, the next deal that they alluded to is a deal on the Icon wrenches. And specifically, the guy was holding up in the Harbor Freight post from Harbor Freight was the professional ratcheting wrench set. So we don't know yet what the deal's going to be, nor do we know yet which day that's going to fall on. But they will have a deal on the Icon wrenches, so just be on the lookout for when that gets dropped, and then be prepared to pick up some wrenches if you missed out during the last parking lot sale that they did back in December, which I missed out on. So I might pick up this time some ratcheting wrenches because I could really use a set. So we'll have to find out what it is. But indeed, they're going to have a deal on the Icon wrenches. So it would be a good time to pick some up because it likely will be a decent deal on them. So I'll also show some of the items that they showed in the shopping cart of the guy that was on the Harbor Freight post, of some of the possible clues of deals that are going to be doing based on what the items they had in the shopping cart. So one of the items was on the Quinn Extendable Reach ratchet, which is a 3/4 inch drive. Based on the picture, this is what it looked like. This does retail at 70 bucks. So we'll have to see if it's going to be a deal on all Quinn ratchets or if it's just going to be this one in particular. So we'll have to find out, but this was one of the items. Next up is the Icon Green Pick Set. This was another item that was in the shopping cart. So this is the new color they just released of the green. It includes the 90-degree, 45, the all, and the hook, and that retails for 20 bucks. All right, the next item that they showed in the shopping cart is the Bauer backpack. So they might have a deal on all Bauer tool bags, so we'll have to see what it's going to be, but it looked like this was the one that they had in the shopping cart, and it is the heavy-duty job site backpack, and it does retail at 60 bucks. So if you are looking for something that has a durable bottom to it and be able to store probably pretty good amount of tools in there. It does have separate dividers for tools, so it does look pretty decent, especially for only 60 bucks. I imagine any kind of deal on it would be even better. So it does have 23 pockets for complete organization. It's made of 168 OD tear-resistant fabric. It does have a load-bearing harness for the backpack straps. The bottom is water resistant and impact resistant base to it. So it does look like a pretty decent backpack for that price. So again, we'll have to see what it is. And then here's another option on the Bauer 18-inch roller tool bag. This one has 13 pockets for complete organization. So it has an extendable handle to it and wheels, which has 3.5-inch wheels to it. So it would definitely easily roll around. And this bag does normally retail at 90 bucks. And they have a 16-inch tool bag option, and that retails at 15. And then they have the larger 24-inch tool bag option as well with 16 pockets, and that retails for 30. And the next item that was in the shopping cart was the Predator. It looked like the 350-watt portable power station. If it is this one, it has 3,500 plus life cycles, so you can drain it and charge it up that many times. And it's rated at 294 watt hours. And it has these different charging ports to it, so it even has 2 USB-A ports, a USB-C that's rated at 100 watts, has a 12-volt plug for DC, and then 2 AC plugs rated at 120 volt. And they are pure sine wave, which would be good to have for sensitive electronics. This one does normally retail at 280 bucks, so we'll have to see what the deal is going to be. We see deals on these often, but it's usually like 20 to $30 off. So we'll have to see what it's going to be. Hopefully something better than those deals that they've had previously. And the next item that was spotted in the shopping cart was a Road Shock LED light. So chances are they're probably going to have a deal on all of the Road Shock lights. So we'll have to see what it is and which day it's going to fall on. We'll just give you a clue of all the different offerings they do have from Road Shock. Many different varieties of floodlights and spotlights. So definitely some good options to consider if you need to have some additional lighting on your off-road vehicle or UTV. All right, the next item they showed in the shopping cart, which I couldn't make out exactly which one it is, but they had a Daytona 3-ton jack, which if it's the regular one, it would not include this floor jack cross beam, so that would be additional accessory to go with. But if it is this one, it does have a max height of 18.25 inch, a minimum height of 5 inches. It has a dual rapid pump and rear swivel casters. It's available in 4 different colors, and it does normally retail at 180 bucks. So we'll have to see what kind of deal they're going to offer on this, and then so stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you are subscribed for updates on these daily deals that they're doing. I'll be sure to let you guys know about it. And another item that they had in the shopping cart was a Hercules 20-volt tool. The one thing I could not make out was which tool it was. It kind of looked like a polisher, not quite sure, but it did have the 20-volt sign on the box and then Hercules. So we'll have to see what kind of Hercules deal they're going to be offering. No clue if it's going to be on a single tool, or if they're going to do like a BOGO deal, like a bundle deal where you buy a battery, starter kit, and get a free tool. Well, we don't know yet, so we'll have to see. But it looks like they are going to indeed have a deal on a Hercules 20-volt tool, which is going to be rare. All right, that's going to be it for this deal video here at Harbor Freight. So if you gain value from it, I would appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these deal videos that I do. Help the channel get to that 50K mark so I can give away those 5 Icon Meme 2.0 kits. And again, I really do appreciate that support. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.